Hello everybody and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the Such stands for EDC gear. Today we will be making the review of the CJRB kicker with the recoil lock. The overall length is 8.25 with a blade length of 3.5 inches and a cutting edge of exactly 3.5. That's what Blade HQ would say, but I don't know because the blade measures to here, I guess, but you can do. And this knife has a clip point with a Rockwell hardness of 58 to 60 on D2 steel. And it's right hand or left hand, but tip up. And it's a manual flipper, made in China, and it's a stonewash blade. You can look at my channel and see the recoil lock demonstration where I go slow-mo on parts of it so you can see the recoil lock in action. And correction to my other video, I was thinking of trading this, but after yesterday, I don't want to trade it. It's so smooth, and I like it a lot. Just over time, will the springs probably break? Yes. Are they stronger than Omega springs? We will see over time. Sometimes you miss though, and it is a big wear in your finger, but okay. We're going to do some size comparisons from this to the QSP Penguin. Overall, the CJRB kicker, hold on, is way bigger. And then we're going to compare that with the Buck Sprint Select. Bigger too is the CJRB kicker. Next, we're going to compare it with the Camillus Horizon in D2 steel. Just a tad bigger on the handle part. And we're going to compare it with the Ruger CRKT LCK. Similar, well, not exactly, no, way smaller. We got the Boker Burnley Plus Keyhone Automatic. Camera needs to focus. A lot bigger. I can close this one-handed. And then we got one more knife to do size comparisons on with it. Is the Finch Knives Co. Takuna. Way bigger. We're going to do a cut test now. I'm going to be getting a taller tripod so I can do these better, but it can cut. Can it stab? Yes. Overall, I'd say over time this knife gets smoother. The blade is really sharp. The springs in here for the recoil lock, we'll have to see how good they hold over time and with fidgeting. This thing right here, well, this part right here can pinch your skin and it will hurt. But overall, it is really good. A really good knife. And I say if you have a chance to get it, pick it up. I think they only made 2 so far with the recoil lock. The kicker and one other. But I got mine on AtlanticKnives.com. That's where I got my QSP Penguin also. They restocked the QSP Penguin if you want one. This was like close to $42. So it's not a bad deal at all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. And remember to use those sharp blades.